We were in a accident. We had a head-on collision. Me and three other friends were in the car. Once everybody was kind of out of the car, the good Samaritans were taking care of us. The police had arrived. I heard them, and the ambulances arrived, and we were all taken to Sentara, Norfolk. The main injuries that we had for me was a seat belt, hitting a seat belt, a 4-inch seat belt at 70 miles an hour for 8 inches. I had bruises everywhere, and I was in a seat where my lower extremities were compressed into the seat at 70 miles an hour, and that was hurt. I thought I was going to die, but I ended up having a fractured spine, a broken rib, contusions all over. I had an airbag hit me up here, so I had a big black and blue face. My eye was bloodshot for many days. For Tara, she had similar injuries. She had a fractured spine, a different vertebra. She had 2 broken ribs. Her left shin was damaged because she was in a different place in the car. So the other injured parties had actually more extensive in one person and less extensive in another person. Once we were at the hospital, we were released, and we decided, because there were 3 insurance companies that were going to be at play, I needed an attorney. So I called one of my good attorney buddies. I'm a musician, he's a musician, I've known him for 20 plus years, and he said, "Hey, you got to call Rick Shapiro, because he's my personal injury attorney, and he's the only one I would have you go to." So, and my friend said, "Oh, by the way, he's a musician too." It's like, oh great, family musicians. When Rick called us after I had called his office, which he called me like the next day, and I think we had some phone conversations. He waited a little while before because we were in extreme pain. It might have been a week or 2 before he came over just to meet us and say hello. We had to get our act together after being in the accident, so that he started the process of taking care of us. When we talked to Rick, it became obvious to us that getting money from the insurance companies for our medical bills was going to be an interesting and difficult process. So he was able to navigate the fact that there were 3 insurance companies and 4 different people with different coverages with those policies. I couldn't have done by myself. He did a good job for us. As part of the process, Rick, on our behalf, had to file suit against the person that hit us in order to get the funds released. And he prepared the case, all the information that the court needed, so the court could make a decision, and it was in our favor. Rick negotiated with 2 other insurance company attorneys to get the numbers more in our favor, and he went through the process of making sure they were not dragging their feet. To anybody who has an accident or is injured in any way, Rick has vast experience with this type of litigation and representation, so I feel confident recommending him for any of that type of legal work. I'm more than happy.